You guys think that you know war, but you don't know war.
Cyber attack.
Another apparent cyber attack.
The historical notion that people have of war being large tanks and aircraft carriers is dramatically changing.
The next war is not going to be on the ground, it's going to be through the wire.
Russia crashed a power grid with a click.
Visible attacks happen day in, day out.
Cyber attacks aren't just taking offline computers. You can take out our food supply chains.
Trains derailed, comms severed.
Poisoning water.
These are each individual hack attempts on our water system.
I want to show you the picture of our suspect.
I see a kid.
It's males under the age of 25.
Down to how young?
13, 14.
Cosmo the God attacked loads of big companies.
Yahoo, AOL, Microsoft, the CIA.
You were 12 years old?
Yeah. I've seen millions of dollars in my crypto wallet.
Of course, the money.
You could easily make 20, 30 times what you make as an ethical hacker.
Kind of have to choose what path you want to go down.
I hear a huge explosion, 3 flashbangs thrown in my face.
I spent 11 years of my life behind bars. I never thought about the consequences. I just did it.
We're seeing a generation drawn into cybercrime.
Now, open season, they are going for it and they're not stopping.
The healthcare industry is hobbled after a recent cyber attack against a major healthcare firm.
I said, do you understand that you just attacked a children's hospital? Their response was, I don't care, Happy New Year.
You've seen people get kidnapped, you've seen people get beaten.
Teenagers run into the house with weapons. I never knew a hacker could turn into a murderer.
These aren't lone wolves.
Governments and intelligence agencies are commingled with criminal groups.
The goal of Russia and China is to stay just below the threshold of kinetic war.
When I became the CIA director, Russia threw everything at us.
This 19-year-old from Florida was in unholy alliance with Russians.
We've got teenagers in America basically working for the Kremlin.
This could be your child.
You've got all the folks that say, bring it on, we could do the cyber war. It's like, do you know what that means?
People are going to die, and they'll do it without ever firing a shot.
The Russians targeted nuclear power, water, aviation, and manufacturing. Anarchy, ultimately, because civil order has gone.
Everything, everywhere, all at once.
The clock is ticking, and midnight is not far away.